Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to pick a good name for your dog. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to pick a good name for your dog is www.gunsandammo.com. Specifically the page titled GNA Basics, How to Choose Your First Home Defense Gun. Here's the link. You can also try www.cavaconcove.com, especially the page How to Groom Your Cavachon Dog/Puppy, Haircuts and. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see ottawavalley.dogwhisperer.blogspot.com. The web page Ottawa Valley Dog Whisperer, How to Choose a Good Quality. This is the link.